Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're going to be making a snack using carrot and paneer. It's a carrot and paneer tikki, super easy to make. Ingredients list is given in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So in a bowl I've taken some boiled and crumbled potato and grated carrot. To this I'm going to add some crumbled paneer. Along with this we're going to add a few masalas and coriander leaves. So I've added the coriander leaves. Now we're going to add the masala, which is turmeric, salt to taste, cumin powder, a little bit of garam masala and red chilli powder. Let's add all of it to the mixture. Now we mix everything together until it comes together. So make sure you don't break the potatoes too much. It has to be a little crumbly. Once the dough is ready, we just take a portion of it, make a ball out of it and then flatten it into a tikki like that. So one of the tikkis is ready. Now let's make the rest of them in the same fashion. So the tikkis are ready. Now let's make a maida batter for this. So I've taken some maida into which I'm adding some salt and black pepper powder. I'm going to pour some water into this gradually and make a thick batter to coat the tikkis. So mix everything nicely. Add water gradually and make a thick batter. So our batter is ready. It has to be this thick so that it coats the tikki nicely. So in a pan on medium high, I've heated some oil into which I'm going to add the tikki which I've dipped in the maida batter. So one by one we add it onto the pan and then we cook it until it's golden brown from both sides, flipping it and cooking it nicely till it's done. So this is a very easy recipe, very tasty to have. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.